it's Jade from Sweet Softies here. I'm super excited to share with you some snail mail I got from Darn Good Yarn. So I signed up for their Yarn of the Month, and this is the first shipment. Super excited because I'm going to be opening it on a video right now. We'll see what's in there. So if you don't know, Yarn of the Month is something that Darn Good Yarn has. They just started it up, and what's super exciting is that every month you will get a skein of wonderful premium handspun yarn. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and check it out. By the way, aren't these scissors super cool? These are unicorn scissors. I also got them from Darn Good Yarn, and I feel like they're the coolest things ever. Alright, back to topic. So, let's see what my first yarn of the month is. Oh my gosh! Look at that! Oh wow! Oh my goodness. This is really, oh my gosh, it's super soft. This is, let me see what kind of yarn this is. It's fine number 2 yarn. Ooh, crafted in India. There's 150 yards here of recycled silk, and let me see, sport weight silk. It's called Midnight Moonlight. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. All right, so there's information here on the Yarn of the Month club that I've just joined, and this is my lovely first ball of yarn. Wow, I'm trying to think of some amazing projects to make with this. Something I love about Darn Good yarn is that it's all super unique. I feel like every time I buy their yarn, I get a wonderful surprise in the mail, because not one skein is ever like dyed the same as others. And with Yarn of the Month especially, it is a surprise because you don't know what you'll be getting. You don't know what weight yarn, what type of fiber, what color, but you just know that it's gonna be a nice surprise that you'll love. So I'm really happy with this beautiful ball. And I'm wondering what to make with it. Oh my goodness. I have not worked with fine yarn a lot before, so if you have any recommendations, please drop it in the comment box below so that I can get some awesome ideas and make something out of this cool yarn. Included in my package is also a little slip here about Yarn of the Month Club. Apparently there's a Darn Good Yarn community that you can join as part of members of this awesome club. And there's also a QR code to give you some patterns. It looks like, ooh, oh my goodness, so I could get a free knit or crochet pattern. Okay, I'm super excited. And a coupon code too. Great. So as you can see with this Yarn of the Club subscription, you get not only a ball of yarn, but some awesome access, VIP access. So I feel super special about that. Thank you, Darn Good Yarn. All right, and again, drop some ideas in the comment box below on what I could make with this lovely ball. I'm thinking of some like cool home deck items right now, baskets and maybe a little tray or something lovely, like a catch-all tray that I can use on the regular. Or maybe a pouch or a little bag too. I'd love that. Anyway, stay tuned. Once I pick a design to make and crochet, I'll likely share the pattern for free on my blog, as I've been doing for so many of my designs. So be sure to hang out and check it out. All right. Thanks, friends. I hope you have a wonderful day crafting, and take care. Bye now.